Quick shed update, y'all, on the diecast shed right here, y'all. I got 432 cars on the shelves so far and counting. I got to order more Plano cases because I got all of that right there to open up. Yep. And all of that to open up. All of that to open up. And all of this to open up. Probably got well over 1,500 cars so far, y'all, and counting. So there's lots more to come, y'all. So that's what y'all see here, me and my shed. Eventually I'm going to put all the walls up with them. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, please. Dirt Fisherman out.